In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook ads account name in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything runs smoothly. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google. Once you find the official link, click on it and then select Go to Ads Manager. This will redirect you to the Facebook Ads Manager login page. If you're not already logged into Facebook, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. Be sure to use the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, click the login button and you'll be taken into your Ads Manager account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the Campaigns dashboard. This is where you can view all your current campaigns and access your account settings. Now, to change your account name, look for Add Account Settings. Depending on Facebook's latest interface updates, this option might appear slightly different, but you'll usually find it under the settings or gear icon. After opening Add Account Settings, navigate to the section labeled Pages. This section contains all your account-related settings, including the option to change your ad account name. Scroll through the options until you find the editable account name field. Click on it, and then type in your new desired account name. Take a moment to double-check your spelling and formatting to make sure it looks exactly the way you want. Once you've entered your new name, look for the Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. And that's it! Your Facebook Ads account name has now been successfully updated. You should see the new name reflected across your Ads Manager. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow guides.